breathing technique we're going to do is called the pretzel. So for the pretzel, what we're going to do is we're going to twist our arms up together. You can cross your legs if you're able. Then you're going to take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, you relax your arms and your legs. So we're going to do it together 3 times. And remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Here we go. 1. 2. And 3. The next breathing technique we're going to do is called the balloon. For the balloon, you're going to reach your arms over your head, and as you breathe in, you're going to slowly move your arms up, 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 like you're filling up the air in the balloon. And then as you breathe out, you're going to release the air and release your arms. So let's try it together 3 times. 1. 2. And for the last time, 3. Our next conscious discipline breathing technique is called the star. For the star, you're going to stop, take a deep breath, and relax. Let's do it together. And again. One more time. You did it. Our last breathing technique is called the drain. For the drain, you will move your arms forward, tighten them up, create fists while you breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you release the fist and make a shh sound like water coming out of a faucet. Shh. Let's try it together 3 times. 1. 2. And the last time, 3.